Hello everyone. Today we'll see some of the species of birds that are found in India. Black-necked crane. Its IUCN status is vulnerable. It is found in Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, and it is a state bird of Ladakh. It prefers to live in marshes and alpine areas. Next we have a chair pheasants. It is vulnerable, found in Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Next one is forest owlet. It is critically endangered, diurnal in nature, found in Melghat Tiger Reserve, Maharashtra, and this bird is endemic to central India and Maharashtra. Next one is the Great Indian Bustard. It is critically endangered. It is found in Desert National Park and it prefers to live in semi and arid grassland, and its three other species are lesser florescent, Bengal florescent, and Hubbard bustards. These species as well found in India. So these were the species of birds that are found in India. I hope this helps you and you understood. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.